Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Friends, in this video I am gonna tell you about how to fix all app crash problem in your AI plus smartphone. So let's start friends. First you have to open your settings, click on applications, then click on all apps. Here it is three dots button. Click on reset app preference. If some of the apps are not working, crashing all the times, you can do is just reset your app preference. This will reset all preference for disabled app notification, default application for action, background data, permission restrict, and battery usage, and you will not lose any app data. Just click on reset app, and you can just individually reset your background data also. Suppose like Chrome is not working or crashing sometimes, so you have to click on storage and cache and clear storage and give all the permission. Now it will be set and it is now working. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.